So I wanted to transform this man into Thanos, and then ooh, I got an idea. I logged into ChatGPT and I put in the prompt to turn this man into Thanos. And this is what I got. To be honest, it's quite impressive, but something was missing. The image looks flat and the color grading isn't right, so I gotta fix that. So I opened Affinity and I decided to do some magic. I added haze around the glove to give it a more polished and realistic look, which was missing in the image I got from ChatGPT. Next, I added a white particle overlay to give it a more cinematic look. I added a glowing swirling light to make it look more realistic and to give the floating phones a clear purpose. After spending a good amount of time on color grading and overall image refinement, this is the final result.